Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Design, the channel where you will find modern interior design videos related to interior decoration and design. Today we will look at room divider design and ideas. There comes a time when mere functionality does not do it anymore, and you are looking for new ways to elevate the aesthetic of your living room. In the era of the open plan living room, divider ideas can change a space even more than the traditional accent like rugs, lighting fixtures and pillows. Room divider allows you to give the living space a quick makeover, but those who wish to delineate the space and living room without actually turning two walls need something more distinct. A room divider is the ideal option as it allows you to divide the living area from the kitchen, dining space or even home office without completely cutting off one room from the next. Smart home dividers deliver exactly what you need. Free passage of light but clear boundaries between the rooms. The best part of it all is that you have a wide array of room dividers to pick from that ventures beyond just glass walls, from DIY room dividers to designer ones. Friends, if you like this video, you can also download our app Interior Decor Designs that is available on Android Play Store. This app has lots of interior design ideas and interior decoration tips. You can find different types of interior design based on different categories, and you can search also. There are tons of features in this app. You can try it by yourself. You can also visit our website interiordecordesigns.in for more information. Room divider ideas for storage and display. Using the living room divider to add a wonderful display or even additional storage option is a great way to make the room most of the available space in your small urban apartment or modest modern home. The idea here is to separate the living room from the kitchen or dining room next to it without disturbing the style of each of the room and allowing for an effortless transition between both spaces. A combination of closed unit for the base and open shelves at the top is a practical choice that allows for the unobstructed flow of light and a visual connection between the living area and the room next to it. You can find other interior design ideas also on our channel. You can browse through our YouTube channel and you will find tons of interior design videos on each topic. Similar is the case with our website interiordecordesigns.in. Maybe all you want is a lovely room divider that just separates two spaces and multitasking is not a really priority. If it is the case, then think of adding another unique texture or finish to the living room with the help of nifty divider designs that you see in this video. Since most modern living rooms are covered in the sleek polished surface and a touch of metal, the glint of glass or even the warmth of wood is a welcome change. A simple and stylish screen or even a metal mesh work well in certain homes, and these ultra sleek dividers also take up minimal foot space. Friends, if you love these designs, you can do comment us in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button to show your love. You can subscribe our channel if you haven't done so. You can also visit our website interiordecordesigns.in for more interior design ideas and download our app for great interior decoration and tips and ideas. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.